I hear the birds and the bees. The wind is playing a song for me as it dances upon the leaves of the tree, surrounding me. I'm grounding in higher than I've ever been. 'Cause I'm rooted in nature and I'm moving to my own rhythm.